Of course we will. We'll move mountains, and all our guys know that. For example, let's say if we're going to do a renovation in February, and we've got the plumber booked for Tuesday the 14th, Valentine's Day. Okay, he will be there. And if he's sick or something's happened, he'll have someone be there for us. And the reason for that is because over the years, that date has always been ready for the plumber. So we've never let him down, right? So he doesn't let us down. And that's with every single trade. And in fact, it's known out there in the industry that no one operates like Brindabella. If he says it's going to be ready for me, the tiler, it's going to be ready. He will not let us down. So he does not let us down. Okay, so for that reason, yes, it'll be finished on time. If I book your renovation and it's booked to be finished on the 22nd of October 2024, guess what, Adrian? It's going to be finished that day.
Well, that gives clients a lot of assurance.
100%, Adrian. Like we have clients that also realise that the renovation, is a messy job. There is dust involved. We try to reduce it. It upsets their life. So you know what I say? Take a holiday. Honestly, take a holiday. Here's the schedule. You know when you can leave. You know when to come back. You know who's in your house. And the other brilliant thing is you have a project manager. Project manager is my son.